Yeah, hi all. So as you can see, like from past 24 hours, I have been working on a problem named as computer vision based virtual mouse for hands-free computer interaction. So basically, the problem statement here was to control our entire Windows with the help of just face reaction and like basically not using any hand gesture and all. Okay, so that was our problem statement. So I have been coding for 24 hours around that. So if you see, like I have the files present here, detailed structure, and the roots.py is the combination of all. So here all the values, like everything is being combined here, but I would like to go step by step. So I have like separate stage wise files also. So if you see, the face detection was my first goal. So was my first, like at least my face should be detected, and the I should be able to get the coordinates of the face was my first goal here. And for that I have been using like two libraries. First of all is the CV, that is nothing but computer vision we can say, and the second one will be the what it is pipe no, model pipe something. Yeah, I'll just name the pipe again. Pipe model, okay, yes, it's just a misconception. Pipe model. So here basically if you see what we had done here with the help of computer vision, this will help us to capture our videos. So if you see here, I have started to capture my video, and zero is nothing but I just have one camera, so that's why I have mentioned as zero. And this mesh detector will allow us to detect, like give us the coordinates on our faces. Okay, and if you see like what I've just tried to figure out the left eye all the points. So if I just run this, you'll be able to see the my face here. Okay, and due like as it is using the camera, so that's why I wasn't able to like record on what is this, Windows. Okay, wait just a second. So if you see, like I'm already running one other program, so it's not executing. So if I just execute now, so if I go to run and run python 5, so if you see now it gets loading, and now the camera will be started. So if you see, the camera has been started, and now if you see, there are like you'll be able to see all the coordinates of my face. So they say approximately 468 number this coordinates will be there. And if you see, like I just tried to locate the left eye part. um, okay, left eye coordinates have been located. And apart from that, so in this was the main task here. So after completing this, then I shifted back to, okay, Q is for the quitting. Then after that I tried to go with checking face coordinates. So here, like if you see, so what was happening is that when I was trying to run it, so if you see here, I tried to take coordinates of my mouth, because even if a single small blink of an eye, it was considering as a double click. So to avoid that, what I did, whenever there is a wide eye and I open my mouth, then only it is considered as a double click, and if I shorten it, then it is considered as a single click. So that's for that purpose I just again tried to figure out this mouth coordinates. And actually getting these coordinates are a bit difficult, because whatever they mention on Google are not accurate. So if you see here, it's somewhat like this, but these are not the accurate coordinates which you can see here. Everyone posts something different, so it's like just we have to randomly enter one by one, like, and we have to try to figure out those points. So once I'm done with that, and I just realized while doing the eye, when I just found out all the eye coordinates, I realized that from mouth I just required hardly two coordinates for. So that's why for mouth I didn't waste my time to locate all. I just took two coordinates to find out the length between the upper lip and lower lip. Okay, once I do that much, then here if you see, this is the part where I tried to link my what is this, my CV zone, like whatever the video capturing, everything is happening right with that, with the mouse click. So that is done here. So if you see, it will link now, and here if you see, the mouse will be able to move. So if I move my head, my both hands are here, but if I move my head, the mouse is moving. Okay, and if you see, I've also plotted the graph side, because I wanted to know when it's actually a blink. So if I just widen my eye, if you see, it is now going up to 41. Okay, so that means when it goes to 41, okay, then I can say it's a one blink. So I tried to give a condition like that, and if I minimize my eye like very short, it will go up to like 25. Then I gave a condition like below 24 you can consider as a right click. So based on that, it was done. And okay, so this was the one part, so this normal. and if I just try to close this part here, cube, and finally if I tried to combine all this thing, and I also created a front end part, and once creating a front end part, when I tried to load it, so this is how the final product looks. So I'll click here. Oh, okay. So if you see what I'm doing, I'm trying to execute fruits.py, but actually our entry point is main.py. So that's a silly mistake that happens. Okay, run Python file. So if you see now, the Python file will be loaded, and here I have a link. So if I just click on this link, so site will be open. Okay, I'll just mute this site. Okay, and if you see, this is the site which I just created a simple site, and I gave a video related to visual this itself. And if you see on the first card, what I have is available on desktop. This is for eye control itself. So once I click on this, the eye controlling movement will start. So if I just click on this check now, I have clicked on this. So it will, okay, if you see, there is a line blink here, so the camera will be just starting in a second. And I guess the camera is already started, so I'll just close this so that, okay, I'll just move side. Okay, it's like hard now. I have both hands occupied. So basically here, if you see here, you could have seen both adjacent. So okay, I can do one. I have closed my camera, and I'll open my this here. Okay, in this way I can explain better. So now I create this joint. Now I can open back my camera. Okay, now I have my face as well as graph adjacent, and if I move here and there, the mouse is also moving. So let's try to just click on this video again. So I'll go down, I'll increase my eye, and then I'll okay, if you see, so what happened, it automatically clicked, and now the video has started. Now what we'll do, we'll try to click on that open source py. Okay, so now let's go to that open source py. Yeah, now if you see, my hand is here, so I'm not doing cheating, and my this, okay, one hand is recording. Let me also let me again close this camera so that you can also see my face adjacently. I'll open this at side, and now I'll open this. Okay, so you will be able to see what's happening. So I'll go up. Yeah, now what I have to do is I'll go with my GitHub profile itself. So I'll just open my eyes widely. So if you see, the site has been ordered. Okay, so yeah, that's how we'll be able to control our windows with the help of face recognition. Yeah, thank you.